8:24 in the morning and we're about to begin our road trip. We have a 10-hour trip ahead of us today, which isn't all that much fun, but has to be done. It is so flippin' cold.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Dad thinks it's appropriate to eat pizza at 9 o'clock in the morning, drinking tea and wearing pattern on pattern and some weird ass socks. The outfit doesn't match. He looks absolutely feral. As for you. If you could change your name, what would it be? I always wanted to change my name to Miley Cyrus. Not now. No joke. Who is your best friend and why? Well, I'm not really going to answer that question.
I don't have a best friend.
No, I don't have a best friend. That's a silly question.
My best friend is Summer. The dog.
The dog.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Certainly not complaining about the fairy floss sky. This is so cute. I mean, there's a few too many children for my liking, but we can't have everything we want. I just went on a bit of a morning walk just to kind of suss the surroundings. It is the most amazing day today. We could not have been any luckier with the weather today. Like, we drove in rain pretty much all day yesterday and it looks like this today. Considering ourselves very, very lucky. Not really sure what today has in store for us. Probably going to have a swim, make the most of this amazing weather, but just going to play by ear really. Might whoop Dad in a game of tennis, but we'll just see how we go. Spending the morning down at the water's edge. This day could not get any nicer, I swear. I've actually been doing a little bit of a photo shoot for Instagram, because that's just what you've got to do when you've got new bathers and the beach looks this nice.
We'll go, finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echo.
Early morning swim, cannot complain about that.
Around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Nick and I just smashed a morning workout in a little parkland like near the beach. There was like this perfect little ledge to do some of my gym stuff on, so that was pretty exhausting. Nika's dead. Yeah, but it was fun. This is the sickest spa ever. It's massive and it's like 6 little spas in like the one big spa. It's pretty bloody cool. Just doing some sunbaking this morning. because the weather is absolutely incredible once again.
Wastelands through the highways, and on we'll
So, let me work out how I get out of here.
Just cruising and
I think I go this way and then I have to turn down that street because the other one's a one-way street.
where are we?
We're in Terrigal. We got a little bit bored of the caravan park and decided that it would be a good idea to come somewhere else. So we went and did some shopping and had a nice lunch. I don't know if you can see, but there is a pod of maybe like 20 dolphins out there. I am going to end this vlog here. I really hope that you enjoyed watching. We are going to hit the road again today. Haha, hit the road. John Casper hit the road. But I'm going to start a brand new vlog for you guys, which should be out next week. So I really hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a huge thumbs up.